Welcome to this GCC Innova blog on Office 365 and the Lync client. On this machine we have installed the Lync client, and what I'm going to show you is some basic functionality with the product. So what we need to do is launch our Lync client from our desktop. Please note that the Lync client will normally minimize itself down on the system tray. You'll notice this is the standard Lync client. You will also see down here a green ring here, which is also the Lync client. You can right mouse click on it here and open it from here, exit, sign off, or change your status from here. But for the experience of what I'm doing today, I will do all of it from the Lync client. Just to go through, you will notice that there will be a green status bar here. The green status bar will change depending on what status you move yourself to. This will allow other users on your network to see if you're available, busy, if you've moved away from your desk, if you're offline, if you peer away, or if there's no colour, it means that you haven't even got the Lync client installed. This will also integrate with your local Outlook client. And if on your local Outlook client you will have a meeting and your Lync client is open, your Lync client will move to make you unavailable. In this instance, I will leave myself available. Another key thing is up on this top bar here, you can type a status for yourself, like for instance, working from home today. This will allow users, when they look at your account, to see below them a status of you. If I try and find my admin user in the global address list, if I hover over him, you will see there is a little option at the top there which states working from home today. So this is sometimes very useful just to let the people say working from home, no mobile phone. So when people look over your user, they will see this status here. Just clear that down. If you are looking for a person to talk to, for instance in my example I have another user who I believe is online called Fred. If I type the person's name, it will search and find him. And two, I can see that he is online. If you simply right mouse click on the user, you can do any number of following ones. You can add the user to your contacts. So if I add him to my contacts, he will appear down here, and every time I launch my Lync client, Fred Smith will be there. This is a classic way of building up an address book in your Lync client of all the users that you talk to. So rather than constantly trying to find the contact, you find him the first time, you right mouse click on him, and you add him to your contact list. Or in this scenario here, you can take him away. If I wish now to send Fred an instant message, again, I right mouse click and I say send an instant message. And I'm going to type to Fred and say hello and give him a little smiley face. And sure enough, I now have a reply come from Fred, and it will pop up down this bottom corner here, and if I open it up it says hello admin user, are you having a good day? And so this is how we can continue with a conversation backwards and forwards, and as you can see he's replied with very good thanks. At any point I can close these down and just go back to it. Another option that I can do here is I can share my screen. So I can make a request to Fred to share my desktop. The only problem is at the moment is Fred is unable to take the desktop share. But as you can see, all you simply do is right mouse click on the user, send an instant message, share your desktop to the user, even start a video call to the user if you had a webcam on your machine and he had a webcam on his machine, Or you could do a Lync call, which effectively would be a call via the speakers and headset of your PC. Again, as long as your PC has those or your laptop has them. That is an overview of the basic usage of the Lync client in Office 365. This blog has been brought to you by GCC Innova. Thank you very much and good day.